Well, it's 10 after 5, according to my watch, which I've just learned how to set the time to. And I've just put it back together for about the 5th time. Numerous problems. I had to replace the second soundboard. Not sure what or why, but something was going on and it just wasn't working right. So I put in the third motor control board, and we're in good shape. It's running fine. I've had to make more clearance in the firebox for the brush holders. Firebox needs to be redesigned a little bit, and I'll have to squeeze skinny Dennis engineer a little more. Stop having desserts or something, but at any rate. We're operating at 50 miles an hour, according to my 4B. And we're running, I don't know how many volts this is, probably about 10 volts coming through here. Maybe a little less. And you can see the firebox is going, the smoke is going, and the chuff sound is going, and the chuff sound is in sync as we sit here and watch the puff and chuff. Pop, 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 pop. Probably won't run that slow with the load, but there it is. What I like about this soundboard is the high speed. It doesn't just die on you. It's trying. That's 70. You know, 70 is pretty fast, really, if it's not too many cars. There's 80. 90. That's it. It goes to about 95. It says 100, but really it's only about 95. I don't know what it is. But that's flat out, okay? That's probably close to, I don't know, it's between 15 and 16 volts. I could measure an AC if you want to know. I'll try myself here. Yeah, 15 volts AC, so that's not a great power supply. But that's what typical. I take it to 17 on the track. I'm going to put in the tie bar to the drawbar to the coupler link and see if I can get it now. It's only got, it doesn't have its linkage. I don't know if I have some laying around. If I do, I'll put the linkage on, at least to tie it up to the front wheel, but otherwise we'll just see what it can do with the no linkage. All right, I'll be back. Looking good, Leon.